Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today as we look at the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad. And we're going to look at how to use the Study Center and how to reorganize our Study Center to give a Bible study. Now, let's have a look right here as I open up my Study Center. And you can see here I have a folder called Barriers Broken Down. Now, when I open this folder up, you can see that I have a list of highlights and some notes and some bookmarks. And you can tell the difference because the highlight has a pen icon, the note has a little notepad icon, and then the bookmarks have a little bookmark ribbon icon. Now, I want to reorganize this order a little bit to be ready for a Bible study. Now, how do I do that? Well, it's pretty easy, actually. All you need to do is you put your finger, not here on the text, that doesn't do anything. Put your finger right here on the icon. And when you put it on the icon, then you can just drag it up to where you want it to be placed. And then it will stay, and you saw it sync. And now it's in that place, ready for me to use in that order. So if I pick up my iPhone here to see if this actually did sync, I can click on EGW Writings. I can open the Study Center on my iPhone, and I'm going to open Barriers Broken Down. Now you can see that the iPad and the iPhone exactly match. Okay, so we have successfully synced our two devices, we have reordered the Study Center, and we are now ready to give a Bible study. So thanks for joining us into another Tech Tips on EGW Writings. Have a nice day.